Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why so many successful business people love buying and selling cars and vans? Well, stick around and I'll explain why. It's easier than you might think. First things first, you need to find a good deal. Check out auctions, online ads, or even local car dealerships. Look for vehicles that might just need a little fixing up on the outside. A little bit of work can really increase their value. Next up, you gotta know what people want to buy. Do some research and figure out which types of cars and vans are popular right now. For example, SUVs and vans are selling like hotcakes these days, especially for delivery businesses. Once you've found your vehicle, it's time to make it shine. Give it a good cleaning, fix any small problems, and maybe even give it a fresh coat of paint. These little things can make a big difference. And don't forget to take pictures before and after you fix it up. People love to see how much better it looks. Finally, decide on a fair price and get the word out. Use social media, online selling websites, and even tell your friends and family. And there you have it. With a bit of hard work and smart shopping, you can make some money and maybe even have some fun along the way. Ready to give it a try? Let's get started.